When it comes to column marking survey in Bangalore, Scondesign India Pvt Ltd is the best company to choose. With their expertise and commitment to high-quality work, they have established themselves as a leading provider of column marking survey services in Bangalore. The company understands the importance of accurate column marking for construction projects, as it plays a crucial role in ensuring the structural integrity and stability of buildings. Scondesign India Pvt Ltd uses the latest technology and equipment to carry out precise column marking surveys, ensuring that the columns are placed correctly and in accordance with the architectural plans. The column marking survey carried out by Scondesign India Pvt Ltd. Their team is responsive, professional, and dedicated to meeting the unique requirements of each client. In conclusion, Scondesign India Pvt Ltd is the best company for column marking survey in Bangalore. With their expertise, commitment to quality, and use of advanced technology, they deliver accurate and reliable results for construction projects. By choosing Scondesign India Pvt Ltd for your column marking needs, you can ensure that your building's structural integrity is maintained and that your project proceeds smoothly.